was it always that he always created a second rung? But while we say that there was no second rung, the second rung was only to protect Arvind Kejriwal. Today it has
Yes.
come out in the open.
Me, myself and I. Arvind would use anybody and everybody to protect himself. He'll throw anybody under the bus. Anybody. I mean, his own family, anybody. He's capable of, he's actually extremely mischievous and extremely dangerous. And I tell my friends, you know, there are lots of people who don't like BJP. And there are lots of people also in my community and also in my family who sometimes say, oh, BJP, because this is the impression some people have created, which is difficult to work with. And I say, you know, you think BJP is bad? And is that the reason why you want to go for Aam Aadmi Party? They become quiet. And I said, you go for anybody, but don't go for them. Just
And
don't
what is
go
the
for
reason?
them. The reason is that Arvind would shake hands with anybody. Whether he can take money from anybody. He can do anything. There is nothing. There's a certain kind of ruthlessness. There is no love for the country, love for anything.
So
You
not
saw
as a
how
BJP spokesperson, but just as an individual who's been in that party, would you still say that it is better to be with the Congress rather than the Aam Aadmi Party? Is that what you're suggesting?
If there was a
not the
choice,
BJP?
if there was a choice between the two, and somebody just is filled with this hatred for BJP, I mean, I'll give them many reasons as to why BJP is. I've been very good for all communities and all sections and all religions, and I can quote many central welfare schemes. But if people were to give me a choice, I would say anybody but Aam Aadmi Party, just anybody, because the man stands for nothing. वो ना हिंदू है, वो ना मुस्लिम है, ना गरीबों का है, ना अमीरों का है, वो किसी का नहीं है. वो ना भगवान का है, ना संतान का है, वो किसी का नहीं है.
When you quit, did he
वो
actually reach
किस
out?
कहीं से भी पैसा ले लेगा. मैं सिर्फ सोरोस की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. He'll take money from anywhere and everywhere. He'll compromise at every level.